This is a quick and easy tutorial how to add custom magnet holes in your model. I'm using Bambu Studio for this tutorial. First, load your STL file. You can do that here. Let me magically paint it real quick. Scale your model to the size you want it to be. I go for 5 centimeter, so 50 millimeters. Now we want to center it. Usually it is already centered, but in the case it is not, select your model and right click. From the drop down menu, choose center. If it's grayed out like this, it's already centered. Then you right click once more on the model and choose add negative part, and I go for cylinder as I have a round magnet. And in this pop-up you can click OK. Now with the cylinder selected, go to the scale tool, or you can press S. And in this dialog we want to input the size of your magnet with a little bit of tolerance. My magnet is 10 millimeters and I like my tolerance on the larger side. So the glue has space to reach the sides of the recess a bit when the magnet is pressed down in the hole. And that is my personal preference, of course. You can pick a tolerance that works for you. The first thing I do is uncheck the uniform scale option. And then I make the X and Y 10.5. So I have half a millimeter tolerance. My magnet has a 2 millimeter thickness. So in the Z input field, I insert 2.5 millimeters. And then I deactivate the scale tool. And then right click on the cylinder and center. Like that. Just switching to the top view with Control 1. Now the magnet has to be positioned in the side view. So press Control 5 and zoom in a bit. With the magnet selected, press M for the Move tool, or you can access Move at the top menu, this one. In the Z input field, insert -2. Slice your plate and see the hole at the bottom, just like we want it. And even without supports. Now, if you would like to enable supports, you can, of course, and make sure to check all checkboxes in the Support tab. I like to up both of the values of the Z distance to at least 0.3 millimeters. But let's be a rebel and put them to 0.5. So to make the gap surrounding the support more obvious. And if you uncheck support critical regions only and slice again, you can see the hole is filled up with support. And it has a gap. So the support can be easily separated from the model. From my experience, my printer has no difficulties bridging the bottom of the hole. So I do check support critical regions only and let the slicer decide what it needs. I hope that made sense and that you found it helpful. That's a wrap. Go forth and stay away from the spaghetti monsters.